Welcome back to my channel. I am Maitri Desai and today I am back with another video. This one's called a book review video. So during this lockdown, I read quite a few books and today in this video, I will be giving my personal reviews on a few of those books. I will put all the links in the description box below for you guys to go and check out and buy if you like it. Also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Enjoy the video! So the first book I have here is my favorite, The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini. Many of you might have seen this book on my Instagram story also. Oh, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will put the link in the description so that you can follow me there. This book was suggested to me by my sister and I can't thank her enough for suggesting me this book, because this is a really good book. Good is a very small word to describe what's in this book. It's so beautifully written. The writer has done a tremendous job and everything is so beautifully described, and every word is so worth it. Every word in here is worth every penny you pay for this book. And I finished this book in 4 days. For 4 days straight I was stuck on reading this book, and after I finished this book I was like, what do I do with my life now? I have nothing to do because I have read the best and now I don't know what to do. So I just wanted to read more of this and never wanted it to end. But yeah, that is quite irrational and it cannot happen. But what I mean to say is, this book is just a must read, a must have in your book collection or whatever you have. And even if you are not a reader, you can read this book, and it is just very good. Hands down the best book I've read so far. It is dark, it is devastating, but it is worth reading once at least. And I will fall short of words when I start to describe the connect I have with this book. It's so heart touching, and of course you guys might not be able to relate to what I'm saying right now, but once you read this book you surely will relate to whatever I said. So you can for sure read this book. The next book that I have is an adolescence of two novels, The Room on the Roof and Vagrants in the Valley, written by none other than Ruskin Bond. And this book is very heart-touching and very emotional. It is actually a lot of emotions in one book, so it's a roller coaster ride of emotions. And people say that The Room on the Roof is the first part and Vagrants in the Valley is the second part, and yes, you will feel that when you read the second part. And it's not a very huge book, it's two novels in one book, so you can easily read it. And the best part about the book is that the first part, The Room on the Roof, was written by the author when he was 16 or 17 or something. And so he has written his personal feelings and his personal experiences in The Room on the Roof. So you might also relate to some of the parts, and that is very beautiful about this book. So you can definitely give this a shot. The next book I have is Ikigai or Ikigai or whatever you'd like to call it. I still don't know how to pronounce it because there are so many pronunciations out there. So yeah, this book looks quite cute and appealing because of its cover and everything. But I must say the content in this book is even better, and it is a motivational book, not totally but somewhat it is. But you will not get bored when you read this book. It is for sure, and it is very beautiful and very light. They have put some amazing quotes in the end, which makes it even more worth reading. And this book will be very helpful to any soul out there because it has helped me a lot. So it can help you, anyone out there who is holding on, who is trying to hold on, who is feeling low or stressed. Just grab this book and read it, and I'm sure it will be helpful because there is a whole different world in here, a whole different perspective to life. So this book also you can definitely try. The next I have is this one. It's called Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, and it's written by Yuval Noah Harari. This book is all about how humans came into existence, how humans evolved, how money came into existence, how religions came, and how everything after that followed. So if you are just as eager as I am to know about how we are here and how were our ancestors and everything, then you can definitely buy this book. But if you are someone who doesn't like history, or who doesn't like knowing about all this, and who might easily get bored, then I wouldn't suggest you to invest in this book. You can go for any other book that I suggested. But if you are interested in knowing about us, about history of humans and everything, then you can definitely go for this one. Of course, it's a huge book and it will take a lot of your time, but it's worth reading if you are interested. So decide for yourself. The last book that I have is this one. It's Good to Great by Jim Collins. This book is very useful for people who are in the business world, or who have set up their companies, or who are planning to go to the business world, or planning to set up companies, or planning to go and work in companies or anything. Then you can definitely buy this book. It gives immense amount of knowledge about companies, about leadership, about strategies, about why some companies make the leap, about why some companies do so good, about why some companies can't do so good, and everything and anything you can ask is in here. And it also teaches how you can take your company from just good to great, as the title suggests. So if you are interested in companies and anything, you can for sure read this. And even if you aren't interested in companies and you are not going to build a company, you can still read this book. It's a good read. So that's all the books that I read during this lockdown. I am reading a few more, but I can't give a review on them because I still haven't completed reading them. But now it's your turn to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I come up with something even more exciting. Till then, stay positive. Bye, Phoenixes.